To Yardstyle live.
I'm not really one artist, but I have to start from early. I have to talk about players because he was the founder in the yard as a little pitney when I grew up. Them used to watch a rehearse, put up them time the tape and tape deck, and them go studio and get them rhythm and them rehearse and them. I mean, they da watch and I grew up and I have another bigger brother now where he used to work at RGR. Him they have a component set where every Sunday in place music like Peter Touch and Bob Marley and some Gregory Isaac and some real reggae music, you know.
Okay.
Saying that and saying that again, I like a sound in a way era named King Bidia from when players them started out singing.
Where you're from? Which part of St. Andrews?
Rockall.
Rockall, yeah.
See? There's like a sound right at my gate. So whether I like it or not, they have to listen to
you're surrounded by music.
Yeah, because music play from 7 o'clock till morning come. All different sound, a beat down here, glass, a rockling, a blurt, a cabinet. We just
And the police never used to bother?
No.
All right.
No, right till morning.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.